I have a GoPro Hero 7 Black here. I'm going to show you how to change the time on the power off, auto power off. And you can see it ranges from 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or never. Okay, you can change it from the GoPro or the app itself. Okay, anyways, from the GoPro itself, what you want to do is, first thing is we're going to go to preferences. So just go ahead and slide down from the top bottom, go to preferences right there, and then we want to go ahead and we want to go down to general. And then from general, we want to look for auto power off right here. Tap on that. You can see I have mine currently on 30 minutes. And again, you can do it from 5 minutes to never. And I'm going to put mine to 5 minutes here. Make sure that is highlighted in blue and you can see it on there. And then once you pair it to here as well, it'll switch on here. So on the app itself, what you want to do is, obviously first you have to pair the GoPro to the app on the phone. So let me just make sure it's paired right now. Once it's paired, tap on the settings, and then go ahead, and then just go ahead and slide all the way down, scroll down until you see auto power off, and here's auto off right here. And you can see that it's set to 15 minutes as well, same as on the GoPro, so pretty simple.